Okay, hello everybody. My name is Jake. I'm instructor Jake with Level Up IELTS, and I'm going to show you how to join Level Up IELTS free membership. Okay, it's really easy. This will be a short video. Just follow along. Okay, so first go to the link below. You should see a link right under me, big letters. Okay, go to that link. I'm going to go there now. As soon as you go there, you should see this. Okay? Now, just put in your username. What do we want to call you? I'll just be Jake2. That's me. Okay, then you just hit continue. Create an account. We're going to create an account. If you don't have a Discord account, you're going to create an account. Okay, if you do, when you try to log in, it should pick that up. Now, are we a robot? No, we're not a robot. That's a boat. I think that's a boat. That's a boat. That's somebody on the water on a boat. So this is like a trick question. We're just going to say, okay, next. We got this, looks kind of like a boat. And that is a boat. So let's verify. Okay, so after you put in your name, this is what's going to happen. It's going to ask for your birthday. I'm just going to put some random numbers. This is not my real birthday. That makes me 6 years old. We probably want to be older than 6 years old. We'll go with that. Okay, now, this is where you sign up. You put in your email. So I'll be Jay. That's the email I'm going to use. It's not my real email, but an email I just made for this. And just put in some password. Okay. Here you see our information. Go ahead and put in. Oh, password's not good enough. You need a stronger password. Let's see. That one's too weak. All right. I'm going to give him the tough one. Boom. Okay, next. They sent a confirmation link to the email. So let's go to our email now. Here we go. We got the confirmation link. You just go ahead and click verify email. Done. Continue to Discord. You can click open Discord if you have the application. Or, since I have the application, it will open it. Or you can just go back here to your browser, okay? Most of you are probably not going to have the application, so you can just do it in the browser as well. It's up to you. Now, before you can join our server, you have to agree to some rules, okay? So you just read through the rules there, say I agree, and submit. And here you are. That was it. You are now in the Level Up IELTS free membership, okay? Now, in here, you can type directly to us. Hello, everyone. We got a nice welcome message, okay? You can speak with me, Instructor Jake. You can speak with Instructor Liam. Ask us anything. This is the free section. You have direct 24 access to myself, Instructor Liam. Ask anything you want about IELTS, about our premium membership. We do quizzes, lots of fun stuff, so just join in there and start chatting. And that's it. That's how you join Level Up IELTS free membership. Now, there's another video which I'll try to put on the screen somewhere if you're interested in joining premium, but I want to keep this video short and sweet, how to join our free membership. So, like and share this video, and I hope to see you in our free membership area and answer all your questions about IELTS. Thanks for watching.